Are we ready to learn? Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Hope y'all use this at home. 5.7 point slope day 1. Point slope formula day 1. Day 1. Your homework tonight is page 345, numbers 20 through 40. Even. You're only going to graph 30 through 40 even. Okay, so there's 6 problems to graph. That's why you have a graph paper. And there are 4 problems on the side. Total of 10 problems. Okay. So in your graph paper, you should have page 345. You're going to graph 30 through 40 even. Just the 6 problems. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Questions on the assignment? Okay, here we go. On your formula chart here. So far, we've done slope of a line. Pythagorean theorem, we'll do that soon, but we should already have it in 7th grade. Quadratic, we'll do that in May. Slope-intercept form, standard form. So the last one we're doing, learning off this chart is the point-slope form. This is today's lecture. Okay. So what exactly is a point-slope form? What exactly is it? Well, what does it sound like to you? You have a point and you have a slope. Could be any point. This one could be any point, and a slope. Using that will tell you how to get the equation of a line. You'll be using this a whole bunch for Algebra 2. Okay, Hannah. X1, Y1. This is your point given. That's the point given to you. Could be any point on the graph. Any point. Any point. The equation is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, it's confusing. All it is you're substituting in x1 here, y1 here. You're substituting in the following numbers. That equation will give you the equation of a line once you solve it out. So that's the point given. So you're going to substitute in the points here. Be careful about your negative sign. Y minus y1 equals x times x minus x1. Now, when do we use this? Okay. Only one point is given. Only one point is given. Right? When the slope is given, and you use to solve for y equals mx plus b. Oh, sorry. Point slope form. You have a point, you have a slope. You have a point, you have a slope. You have a point, you have a slope. Point slope form. Point slope form. Questions? You ready? You ready now? Okay, here we go. Let's do the first example, and then I think this will all come in together. 1 point, 1 slope. 1 point, 1 slope. You need to find the equation. In this problem right here, this is your x1, y1. So then I use my equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Refer to your notes I typed out for you, if you need to. I'm substituting in the numbers here, here, and here. So then I have y minus -4 for now, so that you don't, just do this now. And then you have 2 times x minus 3. Questions on how I get the 4, the 2, and the 3. Be careful about right here. Be very careful about this sign right here. This really becomes y plus 4 equals 2 times x minus 3. So here we substitute in the numbers. Students, what is this called right here? What form is this? No. That's your point slope form. How's that standard form? No. That's your point slope form. So the question says, find the point slope form? Yeah, it's right there. Right here. But what happens if I need to go one more step to find the equation of a line? What do I keep doing? How do I solve this out? How do I continue? Distribution. Excellent. I distribute that 2. Can you hurry up, please? Y plus 4 equals 2x minus 6. One more step. One more step. One more step. Subtract 4. Cancel out. Y equals 2x minus 10. There's my slope-intercept form. If I just have the top part, would I have been able to graph it? No. If I keep on going, I can graph it right here because I have enough information to graph. Sir. Whatever it tells you to do. It'll say find the point slope form, stop right there. Or find the slope-intercept form, go all the way out. So here, the first point I graph, Daniela? No, first point I graph. No. -10. 0, -10. This is my B right here. And my slope is 2/1. That's my positive slope. Okay? So then do a quick sketch. Philip, do a quick sketch. 0, -10, all the way down here. Go up 2 to the right one. Up 2 to the right one. And so on. So you should be able to get a line, a positive line, like that. Let me zoom out here. Any questions on the steps? No? Okay. Let me give you one to do yourself. So tonight, when you graph them, they're all going to be in slope-intercept form. Any questions? Logan! All right, do this yourself. Go all the way up. But identify the point slope and the slope intercept form. The typed up notes I gave to you, please use them. Don't lose them. You'll use them next year. Your teacher when I give it to you, I promise. Well, I mean, when you review or whatever. Sit up. Come on. Okay. X1, Y1. Point, slope. Y minus Y1 equals M times X minus X1. I'm substituting in Y minus 8, Zachary. Y minus 8 equals negative 1/3 X minus negative 3. Be careful right here. Minus negative. So here I'm substituting in. I'm going to rewrite it. Y minus 8 equals negative 1/3 X plus 3. This is my point slope form. If I were to go another step, I would have to distribution. Y minus 8 equals negative 1/3 X. Be careful about the next one. Minus 1. The 3's cancel out, the 1's cancel out. Negative and a positive makes a negative. Questions on how we got negative 1. Okay, and then if you keep on going, right? And then you're going to add 8 to both sides. Y equals negative 1/3 X plus 7. This is my slope intercept, SI, slope intercept form. Stephen, what's my first point I graph? Stephen? 0. No. Y equals mx plus b. B, 7, 7, 7. 7 is the first point I graph. Negative 1/3 is my slope. Okay? It's a negative slope. So if I do a quick sketch of this, which you need to be doing too, just as practice. 0, positive 7. But I go down 1 to the right 3. Down 1 to the right 3. Then I can graph my line. 3 points minimum. Questions, comments, concerns? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
No, just make yourself this one and stay in front of the class and YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah, no. All right. Try this. Stop. 1, negative 2, 3, 10. This perhaps is one of the more difficult problems to do right here.
why?
Because the question will still say find the equation, but how do I find the equation if I only have 2 points? But what do I have lacking? I can't use the point slope form or point slope intercept.
But and
I don't have the what though? I don't have a slope yet. Right. Here we don't have a slope. I don't have a slope at all. So first step here, if 2 points are given, all right? If 2 points are given, find slope first. This is one of the hardest ones to do. Harder ones to do because students will skip that step. Again, 2 points are given to you, find the slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. Leslie, what's my slope formula?
Oh,
Help her out.
y2
Minus
y1
over.
x2 minus x1.
Excellent. Leslie, what's my slope formula? Leslie, what's my slope formula? y2 minus y1 over, okay, now we can substitute in 10 minus negative 2 over 3 minus 1. Questions in how I got the slope? Simplify it. 10 plus 2 is 12 over 2, which is actually 6 over 1. That's my slope, people. My slope is actually 6. Okay, here's a question. Do I have a slope?
Yeah.
Do I have points?
Yeah.
Okay, very simple. Now, does it matter which point I pick?
Oh.
No, but because I labeled this, let's pick the first one. So now, here, I use the point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This will give me the equation of a line. This will give me the equation of a line. This right here, sir, will give me an equation of a line. My slope is 6. My point is 1, negative 2. Could I have used 310? Oh, yeah, of course, Philip. Yeah, I can use 310. It doesn't matter which one I use. It does not matter. Y minus negative 2 equals 6 times x minus 1. Questions on how I got this part? And then to simplify it, x plus 2 equals 6 times x plus minus 1. This right here will be your point-slope form. But I need to solve it. Then Toby, what do I do next? Distribution. Y plus 2 equals 6x minus 6. One more step. Subtract 2, which gives me y equals 6x minus 8. There's my equation, slope-intercept form. Find the equation of a line? No, it's find the equation of a line. Go all the way out. So then this one, the slope is going to be, what's my slope, Zach? What's the first point I graph, Zach? 0, negative 8. So just sketch it. So a quick sketch. 0, down 0, negative 8. Up 6 to the right 1. Up 6 to the right 1. So then I positive slope goes up. One more and we're done. I'm going to give you one more. You ready? Ooh, here's a fun one. Okay, I'm going to give this to you. I'm going to work, and then you can work it out. Yes. Oh, so sorry. So sorry. Don't look. There. Okay. Negative 7, negative 3, 0, 11. Yeah, work it out. I'm going to work it out up here, and then we'll check it. Questions?
8.
Are you sure? Sir?
You always took the point.
You don't have to. I did because it's already been labeled x1, y1. You can pick any points you want. Doesn't matter. Because the line will go through those points regardless. So here I got a slope of 2. Then I use the point slope form to find the equation. I pick this point, I substitute it in. I get the point slope form. I distribute to get the y equals. The first point I graph is 0, 11. The slope is 2 over 1. Positive. Questions? Are you sure? You have 10 problems, 6 of them are graphing, okay? 4 of them are just slope intercept point slope form. The thing will be loaded on here. Anything else? Tutoring is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Please come in.